hours. I'm joined now by my colleague, Travers Mackel. Travers, you actually got the first call into the newsroom about this.
Just to get back to what the sheriff said, just to what she said, let's go back to Shay O'Connor, but that is not transparent when they don't take questions and they don't say. Shay, if you could ask him that right now.
I just wanted to know why you didn't let us know.
I'll let you know as soon as we knew.
And I mean, Gary, how long did they dig a hole to get out? Could you let us know? Travers, I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I just tried to speak with Gary Sheets about the situation. As you can see, he did not want to talk. We're going to continue to try to find out as much information as we can. I'm just going to pitch things back to you, if you can see me.
Yeah, no, Shay, we hear you and we see you, and that's
you asked the right
good.
question. You asked the right question.
Just with respectfully to the sheriff, that is the absolute opposite of transparency when they don't tell you how people got out and they don't alert the public or media. We actually, to be transparent, which is what we do, we actually called the man you were chasing down to alert him of the situation.
They did not know
this morning.
when we called this morning.
We called the NOPD and they did not know this morning. So when they say they alerted people, they actually learned from WDSU.
Shay?
That's absolutely correct. I mean, I can attest to calling several people who work here, and they did not know that an escape had even happened at the time. I mean, I know you all heard that there's been 11 people. So at first we were reporting that it was 7, but 11 detainees who have escaped. And I mean, just trying to ask them questions over and over about how it happened and why we're just finding out about it, why we had to alert them. It does seem that they aren't being transparent at all. Travers?
And look, Shay, obviously, this is an active situation. The most important thing is to get these people captured. But if they don't know when they got out, if they broke out at midnight or 1 o'clock, I mean, a 7-hour drive, you could be in North Carolina or Florida by now if they got out. So obviously, we're looking for a lot more information. I know you don't have it, and clearly the sheriff either doesn't have it or doesn't want to share it. But they gave no details, am I correct, on how these people even got out? And look, let's just point this out. This is a multi-million-dollar facility where they have cameras everywhere, and those inmates are supposed to be watched 24/7.